Hey everyone, how you doing? It's been a while since I made a normal video, so I thought I would show you some updates on my house and some stuff I've done. I completed the shutters and I turned my Florida room into a gym. So I thought I'd show you, and I also want to show you how much crap you can fit into a garage here in the Villages. Let's walk around and check it out. So I wasn't quite sure what to do with this Florida room out here, but it's really nice, and I ended up turning it into a gym. Got my weights, got a couple of rubber mats I picked up, some benches, and I put a TV up there so I can chill out, work out, get my nice view, and lift some weights. So I'm still a member of the Fit Club. You know, there's times in the evening when I want to work out, or if I work some overtime or whatever, and I haven't had a chance, get to the gym, I decided to turn this into my gym. And it's perfect because it's under air, and I got a fan and some lighting and stuff too, and I got some lights in the back corner that accent at night. I'm really happy with this because I wasn't quite sure what to do with this room. I know it's a good entertainment spot or whatever, but I really don't entertain, and if I did, we'd be outside anyway probably. And look at my view while I'm working out. It's pretty good. Yeah, that's my new home gym. I might add some more stuff, but I used it a few times and it's just right for now. All right, let's go check out my shutters. So you guys know I put the shutters, little shutters here in the bird cage, and the bird cage was just recently redone. I'm sure you saw the video on that. But anyway, here's the back shutter. I still have to get shutters for that window there because I have a little gap there. I'm gonna have to order a shutter and trim it right to where it meets the bird cage, so it looks nice and finished. So that's another project, but let's go take a look at the front. The orange tree is doing good. You can see some fruit coming in. Diversion there. All right, let's walk around, check out the front so I can show you guys the shutters. As we walk through the backyard, it's a beautiful day. I gotta trim that tree though, and I gotta trim my bushes. So, yard's a bit of a mess. Shutters are on the front. And as you can see, I gotta paint the door black. Maybe even get a new door. I've been debating on that. It's pretty cool, but that looks pretty good, right? The shutters. See, I got this thing. It works, but I would rather just have no screen, maybe a glass front storm door, and then a black formal door in the background. But I don't know, I just might paint that, keep it, it works. I'm gonna change my lamps next. I wanna make them all black. So yeah, there you have it. There's my shutters. All right, let's check out the garage. In case you're wondering how much stuff you can fit in a garage here in the Villages, mine's a normal 2-car full-size garage. It's not a 3 or a 3.5 or a 2 and a golf cart one, but you can see, let me turn this around so I can show you. Fit plenty of vehicles in here. I got the Jeep, I got 2 Harleys, and my golf cart all squeezed in. In case you're wondering, my garage is 19 by 21, and you can see the addition of my new girl there. She's a beaut. And my old girl, that one's, gosh, 17, 18 years old now, and still runs like new. But I got this one to be a little quieter and a little bit more luxurious for the highway rides. That one's better for running around town, if you're wondering why I got 2 Harleys, along with all my other stuff. So yeah, I might have to purge some of this stuff out. I'm thinking of selling all my yard stuff since I hire a crew now, and I don't use woodworking stuff anymore, really. So I'll be selling those, probably, those table saws and whatnot. The seat's up, it's on a trickle charge, so I got the wire going under there, but I keep everything on the trickle charge, you know what I mean? But I still got plenty of room. It's a bit of a tight squeeze, but it all fits. Now I just gotta debate if I'm keeping the golf cart or not. I don't drive it that much anymore. Now that I'm kind of settled here, I find myself driving the Jeep or the motorcycles. But I haven't made up my mind yet on that. But anyway, It would give me a lot more room in here, and I'm thinking of putting a nice deck down in here, but you know, I got all these crazy ideas and about 90% of them get done. I still got to finish the patio, the birdcage deck, so who knows. All right, well, it was nice catching up with you all. I hope you're doing good out there. I actually moved here on September 19th of 2022, which was my 59th birthday. So Tuesday will be my 60th birthday. September 19th, 2023, I'll turn 60. It's another reason I got this. It's kind of a 60th birthday present to myself. So that means I've been here a year. So I'm gonna do a full year review, a detailed review of, you know, my experience here in the Villages, living here 1 year and things that have changed. A lot of you saw my 6-month video, which is my most popular video. So this 1 year review, I'm gonna give all my honest feedback and talk about budgets, and I'm gonna try and cover a lot of stuff in there. So that'll be coming out in a couple weeks. It'll take me a little bit to put that one together. But I did want to check in, say hi, give you an update on what's going on with me in the house and everything. Ridley's doing good. He's quiet right now because he's taking a nap. Thank God. All right, guys, take care of each other out there, and we'll catch you on the next video. Peace out. Bye.